everyone, it's Kaden Weather here. Today we're talking about a huge winter storm. I think it's going to be a blizzard. It has to be a blizzard coming to the Midwest on New Year's. So New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, around that time, coming to the Midwest. We already have winter weather advisories issued way ahead of this, but as you see, we're definitely going to see the alerts increase as this thing gets really strong and starts to form. Let's get straight into the models with this. Now we times out this, as you can see, if you don't know the day, the circle thing on your screen right now, it says Sunday. That is the day that you're looking at this forecast model. But we times out to the future now. As you can see, we times out to the future. As you can see, we see this one winter storm form. I talked about this in my last video, but it's pretty strong. Let me tell you, this winter storm here on Tuesday, not quite New Year's time though. As you can see, that's about 2 days from now. Not quite as strong as the one we're going to be seeing a little bit later, but I see still bringing some really strong winter snow, ice, and rain mix. But then we go into the future and see this huge monster low pressure system bringing lots of rain, lots of snow, lots of ice, lots of mixed precipitation. This is a huge, I'm going to have to say blizzard. This has to be a blizzard. Look at this. We're seeing lots of ice here, lots of snow, lots of rain. We're seeing rain on the edge of this because it's all a low pressure system. And look at Chicago. We go into by Friday, New Year's Day. Chicago's right in the smack middle of this thing. It's getting really hit hard by this. This is a huge winter storm. And I can't even say winter storm. This has to be a blizzard. If this isn't a blizzard, then what is it? The forecast model will be wrong if this isn't a blizzard. Look, this is so strong. Then it goes, and this is so crazy. This is how strong it is. It's in the south near Arkansas, Missouri, which don't even get this much snow and this much. It doesn't even get a blizzard that often. Yet they're getting a really strong blizzard here in central Missouri, central Illinois, and central Indiana, getting hit by this monster blizzard here. As you can see, it moves up into Canada. It starts to weaken. But that's after New Year's. So we go, let's times out. New Year's Eve, it starts to form. But by New Year's Day is when it's going to be at its peak. So perfect timing there, really. New Year's Day, what a coincidence. New Year's Day, it's its strongest day, bringing hammering. Look at this. This is just a really strong blizzard. So let's times out and see how much snow we're getting. Because, it's a strong storm. Lots of snow. Well, how much exactly? So this is snow depth, so as you can see here. So we time this out. Let's go ahead and go to New Year's. So Friday. So we could be seeing up to 12 inches at the minimum. So we see up to 16 inches. And 16 inches, okay, this could melt, but this is a lot of snow. So this also could be a factor in this. It could happen. So 16 inches is a lot of snow. So we could be seeing a lot of snow with this. 17 inches. So we're seeing that is a lot of snow. I keep saying this, but that is a lot of snow. So as you can see, then it fades off, but as you can see, we go back to New Year's, and it hangs on. So Friday, again, starts to happen 15 inches by Saturday, January 2nd. We're seeing already 17 inches of snow. So again, we're going to be seeing a lot of snow with this. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, this is a monster. Look how big this thing is, and look how strong this is. All the red and pink colors, those are all mixed precipitation, meaning ice. So this could be a big ice and blizzard. So again, this is going to be a huge winter storm. We'll keep track of it. Stay safe, stay weather. If you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment that down below, and I should be able to answer them. Hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. But again, after Christmas, New Year's, we're having a big winter storm. Stay safe, stay weather. See you in the next video. Have a Happy New Year. Bye.